There's a specific moment where money stops happening to you and starts being something you actually direct. It has almost nothing to do with how much you have. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about the exact line between surviving and building. Here's what surviving actually looks like. Every dollar is already spent before it lands, so every decision is reactive. A bill, a repair, a scramble to cover what just happened. There's no room to think ahead because there's nothing ahead to think about. Building starts the moment there's any buffer at all, even a small one. Not because the number is impressive, but because you're no longer one bad week away from a crisis. That single change moves you from reacting to choosing. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have room to build anything right now. Here's what most people miss. This shift doesn't require a big number. It requires deciding you're building before the money actually shows it. The decision comes first. The buffer catches up. So here's your one step. Look at this past week's spending. Find $20 you can redirect and move it somewhere separate from your everyday spending. Not because $20 changes your life, but because it's the first proactive decision instead of a reactive one. This content is for educational purposes only and isn't personalized financial advice. If this shifted how you're thinking about your own situation, subscribe. There's a lot more of this coming.